Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a public Grand Theft Auto session on your own. This simple trick allows you to enjoy all the benefits of a public lobby without any other players interfering. It's perfect for grinding missions, selling cargo, or just exploring Los Santos in peace. You'll be able to complete this method in under 1 minute, giving you full control over your online experience. Let's dive right into the steps to achieve this. To begin, launch Grand Theft Auto 5 and load into Grand Theft Auto Online. Make sure you are in a public session where other players are visible. This method works by temporarily isolating your connection. Once you're in a public lobby, open your computer's task manager. You can do this quickly by pressing the Control, Shift, and Escape keys simultaneously. After opening Task Manager, click on the Performance tab to proceed to the next step. Now, within the Performance tab of Task Manager, look for and click on Open Resource Monitor at the bottom. In the Resource Monitor window, find GTAV, EXE under the CPU section. Right-click on GTAV, EXE and choose Suspend Process. This will temporarily pause the game's network activity. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds to allow other players to disconnect from your session. This brief pause is crucial for the method to work effectively. After waiting for 10 to 15 seconds, right-click on GTAV, EXE once more and select Resume Process. You can then close Resource Monitor and Task Manager. Return to your Grand Theft Auto Online game, and you should find yourself completely alone in the public session. All other players will have been removed, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted gameplay. This method is highly effective for solo grinding and can be repeated anytime new players join your lobby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.